How to fix Microsoft Edge won't open on Windows 11. Let's get started. End Edge processes in Task Manager. For that, click on the search bar, type Task Manager and open it. Now go to the Details tab, scroll to the list and look for processes named msedge.exe or with the Edge icon. Right-click on any of them and select In Process Tree. Repeat all Edge-related processes until none remain. This clears out any stuck background processes that might be preventing Edge from launching. Now try reopening Microsoft Edge from the Start menu. Next, repair Microsoft Edge. For that, right-click on Start menu, then click on Settings. On the left sidebar, select Apps, then click on Apps and Features. In the search bar, type Microsoft Edge. Click the three vertical dots next to Edge and select Modify. In the pop-up window, click Repair. Windows will now attempt to fix Microsoft Edge without deleting any data. Once the repair is complete, try opening Microsoft Edge again. That's it. One of these two methods should get Microsoft Edge working again on Windows 11. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.